Lumley can be located at the west end of the city. This is the reality of the current Lumley. But with all this madness, there is one thing that keeps it going, that the people. Welcome to Lumley, one of the most chaotic areas in Freetown, the capital of Sierra Leone. Lumley can be located at the west end of the city, and it serves as both as residential and business centers. Every day, a large number of people do use Lumley, either by foot, taxis, worker-find buses, or mini buses, which we usually refer to as podas, tricycles, which are kekes, bikes, which we usually call okadas. But with all of this movement, it comes with disordered, noisy area and a daily struggle. This is the reality of the current Lumley. Lumley is noisy, it's messy, and sometimes it seems completely out of control. But with all this madness, there is one thing that keeps it going, that the people, either the drivers, the vendors, the Okada guys, the police officers, they are all trying to make ends meet for the day. Thank you very much for watching this video. Just as usual, don't forget to like it, let it go viral. Don't forget to subscribe and let me have your feedback. I am Mike as usual. See you on another video.